how you establish quality management system. Review existing documentation. Every organization, regardless of their ISO certified or not, they will have certain system in place. If they're into business, they will have some documentation, some procedure. You cannot find an organization that is not having a process to raise a purchase order, to buy material, or an invoicing process, or identifying or documenting what customer needs, jotting down somewhere, regardless of their ISO certified or not. So look at the existing documentation, what they have. My presumption and my experience I've seen while implementing ISO for many organizations as a consultant or as an auditor at later part of my career, that the most of the companies have got 70 to 80% documentation ready and meets ISO standard requirements. To be very honest, an organization cannot grow and run their business if they do not follow certain principles, and those good principles will definitely meet some of the requirements or many of the requirements of ISO standard. So review existing processes and the documentation. Now develop the processes. You may find this can be called as a gap analysis. So during this gap analysis audit, you come up with some observation that shows that yes, you have them, and certain documentation which the standard requires you don't have. So you find some gaps exist. Something is there, something is not there. So whatever is there, are they meeting the requirement? Can they be fine-tuned or improvised? And some documentation may be required for you to develop. So you develop those missing procedures. And once you have developed them, implement them. Implementation is rolling them into action. For example, you have introduced a formal documented supplier evaluation process. So you do it in accordance with your system. That's the implementation part. And then maintain it and then continuously improve it and audit it. By auditing, you know what is working and what is not working. By doing so, you will be able to improve upon the system.